Do you know the win rate of your trading strategy? Are you risking money on an indicator strategy that doesn't even work? Most people lose money in trading because they don't know the win rate of a strategy. And I get it. Backtesting a strategy to know its real win rate is difficult and time-consuming. I have tested many different trading strategies on the Trading Rush channel, so you can know the real win rate of any strategy and not blow up your account. No one wants to lose money in trading, but backtesting a strategy using old methods is boring and frustrating. But not anymore. Let me introduce the new and official Trading Rush app. This app will not only show you the real win rates of different trading strategies, but will also show you the real win rate of your favorite strategy. That's right. Trading Rush app comes with a backtester feature, where you can test your favorite strategy or indicator effortlessly. Say no to those old boring and consuming methods of testing a strategy. Trading Rush app will not only show you the win rate, but will also show you the profit, the number of losers and winners you can have in a strategy, and much more. So what are you waiting for? Download the official Trading Rush app now using the link in the video's description. After all, you don't want to risk your hard-earned money on a strategy that doesn't even work. And subscribe to the Trading Rush channel on YouTube to see the real win rates of any trading strategy. Thanks.